ladies and gentlemen, today I have yet another Lewinner wireless lapel set. Here we go! This lapel set can transmit about 120 meters, barrier-free, that is. The working frequency is 2.4 gigs. The charging port type is a USB-C charging port. The Lewinner sticker here on the side, very, very nice touch. I really, really like that Lewinner. Let's stinking open these. How open? Oh, that how open. There's a warning prompt. It says, please be patient before use. It is recommended that the new lapel be fully charged before use. And before charging, please tear the insulation sticker at the bottom of the transmitter. Put it back into the charging compartment. Charge it first and then use it. I will do that, I promise. Ooh, I didn't even realize this. This bit here, it's magnetic. So you could theoretically take the box around with you. I'm not going to take the box around with me, but you could theoretically, if you needed to take the box around with you, you could. Alright, got this. I believe this is the case that the lapels are in. We're going to set that there for now. I'm going to dig whatever the... Oh. Oops. Manual time! After reading the manual, it seems like the way you can tell... There are two lapels in this, by the way. I'm not even sure if I mentioned that. This is a dual lapel system. I don't even think I mentioned that. What's in the box? What's in the box? No, but for real though, what is in the box? Oh, okay, USB Type-C charging cable. That's very nice. I'm happy they included that. Oh, and windscreens for the microphone. That's cool. Now it's time for the good stuff. Now it's time to... I shouldn't have thrown that. I really, really like the case. It's very, very, very sleek. Very nice. I like it very much. I don't know what this is on the back. I think it's just a magnet. These look very awesome. Lapel number 1. Cool. That was nice. Here is the transmitter that plugs into your phone. So if you want to use this on your computer, you will need a Lightning to USB adapter. And might I add, it's also magnetic in the bottom, which I abso-stinking-lutely love. That is awesome. So, like, you know, you can turn it upside down. It's not falling out. They're not popping out. None of them are falling out, which is really, really cool. I'm thankful for that. Make sure to tear off the little insulation sticker here at the bottom. And then, once you tear the insulation sticker off of both of the lapels, neither of the lapels are charged yet, go ahead, place the lapels back in the case. Once you put both of the microphone transmitters back in the case, flip the case closed and let it charge for a little bit. The adapter will start blinking green, and then the light on the lapel itself will stay consistently green. To test, assuming the little thing says headphones right there, then you got it plugged in. Let's do an audio test right stinking now. And this is the audio test with the Lewinner microphone on my shoulder, essentially where it would normally be. And this is the audio test with the Lewinner lapel actually connected to where it would normally be. I've listened to the sound test that I just did, and I'm going to do the outro with the microphone because I'll be fully honest, I really, really like them. I think these are great microphones. This is a really, really good product. This is very nice. Case, very practical, can easily be slipped into your pockets. It's a little bigger than an AirPods case, but not by a ton. They charged relatively quickly, and all in all, I'm really, really pleased with these lapels. So if you would like to pick up your very own dual lapel system from Lewinner, I will leave a link in the description down below. And you know what? I might as well just stinking test it right now. This is with 2 lapel systems. I'm going to take this, right? I'm going to set it right there, and I'm going to walk over here. And the sound quality, I imagine, is most likely going to stay the exact same. I'm standing over here on the other side of my room, and the sound quality has stayed relatively close to the same. I really like these. They're very, very cool. I just can't get over the case. I really like the case. Thank y'all so much for watching, and until the next time, I will talk to y'all later. Goodbye.